I woke up at 3:17 a.m. to a strange sound in the kitchen. It was like someone was slowly opening a drawer. I thought it was a cat, but I've never had a cat. I quietly went out into the hallway. The kitchen light was off, and suddenly I heard a soft, childish laugh. "Who's there?" I said quietly. The laugh stopped abruptly. I turned on the light and saw an old photo lying on the table. The photo was of me in my apartment, and there was a little girl standing right behind me. I slowly turned around, and from the darkness behind me, someone whispered, "Now you